everyone, my name is Fanny. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I normally do. But you know what? I'm really excited about it and I can't wait. Today I'm going to do a unboxing for the company burlapfabric.com and I can't wait because I got so many goodies and I can't wait. So let's go and open the box. Alright, as I mentioned before, we do an unboxing from burlapfabric.com. Burlap Fabric has a huge inventory, everything in stock, fast shipping, quick shipping, and types of burlap fabric, cheesecloth fabric, dot cloth, broadcloth fabrics, bandanas, fox leather, and more. Burlap Fabric has a large variety of items in their website. Even if you're planning a rustic wedding using burlap fabrics and other chic decor are in style today, Burlap Fabric is your one-stop shop. They carry the largest collection or selection of items, sizes, and styles at the lower prices on the web. Also, Burlap Fabric items can be transformed into crafted items such as like tote bags, curtains, wedding favors, and so much more. And basically have fun. They have a beautiful items and great quality. So let's open the box and let me show you what I got. So as you see, I opened the box and you see amazing projects coming up. Yeah, they have a beautiful items and I'm really excited about it because oh my goodness, when I opened the box and I started going through the items, my ideas were flying and flying. Hopefully they didn't go away because sometimes that happens. Alright, I got this chevron ribbon in the color red and look how beautiful. I love it. I think it's perfect for fall decor and also for Christmas decor. What about this color? I don't know if this is like teal, something like that color, and I love it. I think it's perfect for now, for Easter, for the spring decor, simply beautiful, or for regular farmhouse decor. What about these ones with the straights? Oh my goodness, I have so many ideas coming up with this one because I love these ones in particular. Beautiful. What do you guys think? If you are interested in any of the items that I'm going to be sharing today, make sure you go to my description box and you will find all the links on there. And go to the website and have fun shopping. And what about this beautiful neutral color? It's like a net kind of thing, this ribbon, and I love it because you can simply use it on a mason jars and it will look so beautiful, or even just a simple bow and you put it on a wreath and definitely will give you that really nice rustic look. And what about this one? You guys know that I really like to make cute little bows, simple bows, and use it on my DIYs. And when I saw this one, I was like, oh my goodness, I was needing something like this because I do love to make tiny bows. And this one is just perfect, or just to be able to wrap the top part of mason jars or bottles and will look just perfect. Here I'm just making a cute little bow just to show you how adorable, simply perfect. If this is your first time in my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. I love to do quick and easy DIYs on a budget using recycled items, thrifting items, and also Dollar Tree items. If that interests you, I would love you to stick around for more DIYs and be part of this family just by hitting the subscribe button, also the bell, and you won't miss anything. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Twitter, And I recently opened
TikTok. I don't have any followers over there, but
I would love to you join me over there as well. So for the next item, I got this ribbon, which is like a piece of cloth, and I think it's so pretty. And you know, you can use it for transfer words and it will look so pretty. And or you can make just a bow and it will looks really nice as well. And I just love it. I love the color. It's just so beautiful. Well, like I said, I really like neutral colors on my DIYs, and because I like to repurpose my DIYs as well. So when you use neutral colors, it's easy to transfer your DIYs for different seasons. And if you are already excited with the ribbons that we already saw, just sit back and have a tea or have a coffee or have a glass of wine or just a glass of water. And look at this. I got such a beautiful fabrics. I got this one, which is like a canvas because it's kind of hard. I'm thinking about making a shape or lamp or something like that. That would be really nice. All right, like I say, I am not going to spoil. I have so many ideas. And what about this color? When I see this color, to me, it's just perfect. And I'm thinking to make a project for my mother-in-law because she loves this color. And yeah, I'm really excited about this one. And look at this. This is gorgeous. I promise you, I wish I knew about this company when I organized my wedding. My wedding was just a rustic style, and oh my goodness, those runners are just gorgeous with the lace on it, just a perfect romantic touch. But I also have some ideas with these ones coming up, but I would like to know what you would do with this one, so please let me know in the comments down below. And move on to the next runner of fabric. Check out this. Oh my goodness, I know I have said oh my goodness so many times, but sometimes I do have a hard time to express myself when I get excited. And oh my goodness, look at those tassels. It also has the little bow on it. Absolutely beautiful. So this one is just basically a burlap fabric on it, and then a piece of lace right on the center, which is beautiful. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really have a lot of fun sharing with you the items that I got. That's all I got on my box, and I'm so happy and I'm so grateful. Thank you, Burlap Fabric, for sending me these items. I'm really honored to be part of this collab with you, and I'm looking forward to share next week some of the projects that I'm going to be using your items. So stay tuned. Also today I want to take a time to thank you all for your continued support and love to my channel. I love to see everyone's creation on my 20 lap challenge. My channel has been growing little by little, and it's happening because it's you. You guys are amazing, and I'm so thankful for it. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I also would love to know what you think about the items that I got and what you will do with. I have some ideas coming up next week, but I would love to know what you will do with. So please let me know in the comments down below. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all and see you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.